you another video. So this week's video is a very highly requested video, and I'm so excited that I can finally film this video for you guys and show you my famous smoothie bowls. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I consume a lot of smoothie bowls during the week, and I show you guys how pretty I prepare it, how wonderful it tastes. I asked you guys once if you would like a video on how I make these smoothie bowls, and a lot of you were like, yes, bring it to me, Max. So that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna give you 5 different ways to make a smoothie bowl. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, first thing, I do wanna let you know what you guys will need to complete these 5 bowls. So what you'll need is obviously a blender. The one that I use is the Ninja blender, and I think it works very well with making smoothie bowls. I know there are a lot of other blenders that would work well with this too, but this one's not too bad. You obviously will need a bowl. I got these so cute coconut bowls from Amazon that I'll link down below for you guys so you can check that out. To make the base for the smoothies, you'll need kiwi, raspberries, blueberries, frozen pineapples, strawberries, frozen blueberries, frozen spinach, frozen strawberries, and toppings like pepitas, coconut shred, walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Hey guys, so let us get into this video. I am so excited for you guys to look at this video, for you guys to check it out. I can truly say that these bowls really helped me in trying to create a figure that I want, with losing weight and as well as toning up depending on how much protein you want to add in the smoothies. So check it out. All right guys, so here it is. Mixed berry smoothie bowls. So what we're first gonna need will be blueberries, and then we'll need frozen bananas and some coconut milk. So we're gonna first add the 1/4 of a coconut milk into the blender, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a 1/2 cup of blueberries, and we're gonna just put that in the blender as well. Then we're gonna go ahead and put a whole frozen banana inside the blender, and I kind of put these in Ziploc bags in the freezer so I can just put it in the blender easily. So they'll close the blender, and then we'll start pulsing it for a few times. And then we're gonna press blend, and we're just gonna blend it out until it has a thick substance. And look how wonderful, guys, that looks. I love the consistency in this berry smoothie bowl. It looks so yummy. Can't wait for you guys to try it. It's such a great way of just getting that nutrients that you need from the berries. And then we're gonna get the bowl ready for some toppings. Let's put some raspberries, some coconut shreds, then some pepitas and walnuts and almonds, and then we'll put some chia seeds alongside with some flax seeds. So for these toppings, I try to just do 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. So this bowl has 494 calories with 20 grams of fiber and 13.3 grams of protein. Tropical fruit smoothie bowl. What you're gonna need for this is some frozen pineapples and some frozen mangoes, as well as frozen bananas, and you can use any plant-based milk like coconut milk. So we're first gonna add the coconut milk into the blender, and you really can use any plant-based milk, but I just love using coconut milk. Next, we're gonna get a full cup of mangoes, and we're gonna add that into the blender. And then we're gonna get a full cup of pineapples, and you can just add that into the blender as well. And then we're gonna top that off with some bananas. And this next step is actually optional. You can add some honey if you like. I did want to try it with honey to see how it would come out, which it came out really good. So maybe next time I'll be adding some more honey in my smoothie bowls. So just gonna pulse that again. And then once all of that is all good, sometimes you do have to push it down just so that it can all be together and get that really thick consistency. We're just gonna blend that all together until you get the right consistency that you like. You're gonna check it out, see how it looks. If you want it to be more thick, you would add more frozen products. If you want it more liquidy, you would add more milk. You're gonna put that all together and then get it ready for some toppings. We're gonna add some mangoes on the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the same toppings that I normally put, which would be coconut shreds. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that into the bowl, and then we're gonna continue with the other toppings like pepitas, almonds, and you always gotta add some flaxseed into your smoothie bowls, as well as some chia seeds as well, just to bring that protein up and the fiber. And there you have it, guys, just a simple way to make a tropical fruit smoothie bowl. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Strawberry kiwi smoothie bowl is the next one. So what we're gonna need is a frozen strawberries, frozen kiwi, and a frozen bananas, as well as any plant-based milk like coconut milk. And then we're gonna start putting our strawberries. We're gonna use 1 cup of strawberries, and then you're gonna put that in the blender, as well as 1/2 cup of kiwi. And you can use frozen kiwi or you can use non-frozen. I didn't use a frozen one, but I did add frozen banana and then the milk. We're gonna pulse it a few times, and then we're gonna blend it, and it's gonna come out to a nice consistency, and then we're gonna put it in the bowl. And the toppings were really fun to make for this bowl. I really love how the kiwi looks, and just adding the strawberries across with the coconut, and then adding some pepitas in there and to get some fiber, as well as the chia seeds, and always the flax seeds, guys. You always got to get that flax seed so that you can get your fiber up. And there you have it, guys, a super fun strawberry kiwi smoothie bowl that tastes amazing, I would say. This is one of my favorite fruit ones. Look how cute it looks, guys. I mean, this looks so photogenic. Like, I honestly love this one with the kiwi looking all cute. Guys, this is a winner. We got our super green smoothie bowl next. What we'll need will be frozen pineapples, frozen spinach, and some frozen bananas, and as well as your coconut milk. So we're just gonna put the frozen pineapples into the blender, and like a handful of spinach, depending on how much spinach you'd like, and then your 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk or any plant-based milk. Then we're just gonna add that all into the blender. We're gonna close it, and this one was being a little bit stubborn for me, so I had to keep patting it down just to get that consistency. Then you'll pulse it and blend it like normal, and then you'll just go ahead and check the consistency, making sure it's all nice and thick. You'll put it in the bowl, and this time I didn't flatten it out. And then I forgot to record the toppings, but I put some granola, some almonds, flaxseed, chia seeds, and yeah, and there you go. There's your super green smoothie bowl. Now this peanut butter chocolate smoothie bowl is my all-time favorite. Add 2 frozen bananas, a bar of your favorite chocolate, and then a tablespoon of peanut butter, again with some coconut milk, my fave. So we're first gonna put the 1/4 of the coconut milk, and then we're gonna add the bananas. Some were frozen and some were not, and then I just added the tablespoon of peanut butter. We closed it up, pulsed it a bit, and blended it. It was being a little bit stubborn for me, but then I got that consistency that I wanted, and it tastes so good, guys. I put that baby in the bowl, and you can see that it wasn't too thick, but it was still a good consistency. I started putting the toppings, some bananas, some chocolate coconut granola, and chia seeds and flax seeds. This bowl is my all-time favorite. Can't wait for you guys to try it. But these are all the 5 different ways that you can make a smoothie bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited for you guys to try these 5 different ways to make these smoothie bowls. If you do decide to try them at home, take a photo, tag me on it. Thank you. I would really appreciate that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.